Hey everyone. Uh, is your Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling because the compressor isn't running? Yeah, that can be worrying, but don't panic. In many cases, the fix is simpler than you think. So, let's go step by step. First, make sure the refrigerator is getting proper power. Check the outlet and confirm the plug is firmly connected. Sometimes, it's just a loose connection. Next, move to the back of the fridge and listen carefully. Normally, the compressor makes a low humming sound. If it's completely silent, the compressor may not be starting. Okay? The start relay is a very common failure point. If the relay is faulty, the compressor won't kick on. You can remove it and gently shake it. If it rattles, yeah, it likely needs replacement. Now check the overload protector. This safety device shuts off the compressor if it overheats. A defective overload can prevent normal startup. Another quick fix. Clean the condenser coils underneath or behind the refrigerator. Heavy dust buildup can cause overheating and stop the compressor from running efficiently. If everything looks okay, try a hard reset. Unplug the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Sometimes the control board just needs a reset. If the compressor still won't start after these steps, the compressor itself or the main control board may have failed. At that point, professional service is usually the best move. And that's it, These are the fastest ways to troubleshoot a Whirlpool refrigerator compressor that's not running. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick repair guides.